So, you embrace the challenge. Okay, let us do this. We now accompany a 2-bar phrasing with hi-hat stomps. We go again, first with quarter notes and then with 8 notes. Try to stay precise with your hi-hat notes and the bass drum and snare drum notes in between the grid. These are the notes who tend to throw you off a bit until you get used to the feel. If you can't make the hi-hat stomps happen at all, just play the groove first until you get comfortable with it, and only then introduce back the hi-hat stomps into your playing. Okay, let's start practicing the faster we have down the pattern. Again, at 50 and 80 BPM. Great done, everyone. If you struggle a bit here and there, don't worry at all. It shows you're human. Accompanying rhythms, including notes in between the grid with your hi-hat foot, isn't easy at all. And it probably takes some weeks to get comfortable with it. But it is worth practicing it. Using your hi-hat foot is a good timekeeping device, and it helps you to really internalize the pulse and the subdivisions to that pulse. Okay, that's it for now. Have a beautiful day and see you next time.